We've got some weather coming in, don't we?
Yes, we do. A whole passel of it, wind and snow, and I've got a bunch of warnings that I want to take the time to go over with you again in tonight's Forecast Focus. I know they're confusing for me sometimes when they pile up like this. And, you know, our National Weather Service does such a good job of issuing these advisories and these warnings, and they include a lot of detail because they want the viewers in every nook and cranny of our viewing area to know what's coming. But it is a lot to digest when you get a patchwork like this, so I'm going to put it up again. Again, the blue shaded area is a winter weather advisory, so the less severe of the two. Winter storm warning in the area.